your home insurance and your moving company. Allies in motion. Watch this video until the end and know about your home insurance, your moving company, and you. Hello guys, welcome to our channel Insurance Cloud. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. In the rush of things, we tend to forget the basics. Often than not, we are rendered helpless when the unexpected happens, like fire, an injury, or an accident. Getting insurance assures us that when we forget the basics in the hustle and bustle of daily life, and when fortunate events strike, somebody steps in, takes care of things, even takes care of us. So, you are moving. Aside from finding a reliable moving services company, take out your yellowed home insurance policy contract and let's review the basics. Home insurance assures us that regardless of life's many surprises, which can sometimes spring at us like a vicious animal aimed for the throat, our home remains a secured haven where we can seek refuge, gather strength, and pounce back at life again. But what happens if we move? Does our home insurance move with us? What has your home insurance company been telling you? Your home insurance, its basics. Home insurance provides you with peace of mind for contingencies that can occur involving your most precious possession and your home. Fire is one contingency that can wipe out everything you have worked for in a matter of hours. It can be a devastating experience watching everything you hold dear go up in flames. More heartbreaking when no home insurance can back you up, when you start to rebuild whatever is left after the embers of tragedy die down. Vandalism activities can deface your home and would entail a considerable amount of money to spruce it up again. Theft comes it, without warning, taking valuables that you have painstakingly scrimped for. Still, remember the pangs of hunger you tried to manage with a donut. Your home insurance also answers for monetary damages that an injury can cause on someone while at your property, which can take a toll on you. It comes in handy when you take out a mortgage on your home too. Lenders often require you to take out a home insurance policy. If any of these contingencies happen, your home insurance shields you from the aftermath, which, often than not, can cause not just a dent but a wreck on your finances. Your home insurance, when you move. This is one aspect of home insurance left unexplored since moving does not usually happen to everyone. Yet, when moving does not become a choice, but a singular decision to make, taking out a home insurance policy before the move comes with add-on privileges that a homeowner will surely find useful. You remain covered. Generally, a home insurance policy covers you from contingencies that can happen during your move. It protects your belongings between transits, from the old home to the new one, as if you have not moved at all. While in transit, and in occasions when the moving van that carries your belongings figures in an accident, your home insurance policy answers for any loss or damage to your possessions as a direct result of the accident. It also protects you from the perils of theft, which can happen when the moving van is parked or in the course of its journey. Depending on your coverage and the amount of your insurance, most home insurance policies would also protect your belongings when they are held for safekeeping, which can run from 2 weeks to 1 month. Find local moving companies' contractors in your area and comparison shop for insurance coverage that provides the most protection. Be informed. It remains your responsibility to inquire if the moving company you transact business with is fully licensed and secured against the perils associated with moving. Your home insurance policy can be a source of protection, but you deserve to be covered by your mover's insurance as well. Scour the internet for a legitimate mover. One that offers free moving and storage, free boxes and blankets during your move, with large trucks to transport your belongings, fully licensed and insured, and with more men on the job who can make moving a lot faster and easier. But above all, one who believes the impeccable need of providing insurance protection among its clients. That in the event of loss or damage during the move, there will be no passing of the buck, no finger pointing, and just the knowing wisdom of a great professional.